Barry Silbert resigns as Grayscale chairman, to be replaced by Mark Shifke. Shifke is the CFO of Silbert's digital currency group and will take over January 1, Grayscale said in an SEC filing. 10 years of decentralizing the future, May 29 to 31, 2024, Austin, Texas. The biggest and most established global hub for everything crypto, blockchain and Web3. Register now. Grayscale Investments, whose application to turn its Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, into a U.S. spot exchange-traded fund, ETF, is being considered by the Securities and Exchange Commission, said Barry Silbert resigned as chairman and will be replaced by Mark Shifke. Shifke, DCG's chief financial officer, will replace Silbert as of January 1, Grayscale said in an SEC filing without giving a reason for the changes. Mark Murphy, DCG's president, also resigned from the board. The SEC has delayed several ETF applications including those of Grayscale, BlackRock, ARK21 shares, VanEck and Hashdex, many of which have met with the regulator and filed amended documentation as year-end approaches. The agency must approve or reject ARK21 shares, the first deadline to approach, by January 10. Silbert's Digital Currency Group, DCG, which owns Grayscale, was sued in October by New York Attorney General Letitia James for allegedly defrauding more than 230,000 investors, including at least 29,000 New Yorkers, of more than $1 billion. James also charged Silbert with defrauding the public by trying to conceal heavy losses. DCG and Silbert rejected the allegations. Matt Kummel, Senior Vice President of Operations at DCG, and Edward McGee, Grayscale's CFO, also joined the board. Aligned with Grayscale's commitment to follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.